Alright, let's settle one of the most common questions in data analysis. Should you use a programming-based statistical tool, or a non-programming point-and-click option? Let's break it down. Programming tools like Python, R, and SAS are basically the powerhouses of data analysis. They need you to write code, which can feel intimidating at first. Python is super flexible. It handles machine learning, automation, and even builds web apps. R, brilliant for statistics and visualizations, especially if you're deep into research. SAS is a favorite in pharma, especially if you're dealing with clinical trial data and regulatory submissions. So, why pick these? If you want to automate boring stuff, make your analysis reproducible, or build custom models, coding is your friend. And Python and R are free. SAS, though, can hit the wallet pretty hard. But if the thought of coding makes you want to run for the hills, non-programming tools might be the way to go. Think SPSS, Excel, or Minitab. They're all about ease, just point, click, and you're done. Excel is everywhere. SPSS is perfect for survey data and social sciences. And Minitab specializes in manufacturing and quality control. The big catch? These tools are quick for simple tasks, but hit a wall with complex custom analyses. They're also mostly paid, and you lose out on automation and integration power. So here's the rule of thumb. If you want power and flexibility and don't mind learning to code, go programming-based. If you just need basic stats or fast results with no code, stick to GUI tools. Still can't decide? Let me know if you want a side-by-side visual chart to make the choice super clear. Thanks for watching.